At Intermountain Electronics, they are great at manufacturing new designs for electrical construction and other solutions for clients. The company manufactures things like components for mining, oil and gas, and utilities. They have been in business for 40 years and have 4 locations. We interviewed a few of their employees.
My name's Mike. I'm the fabrication supervisor.
My name is Ariel Valley, and I'm HR generalist here at IE.
My name is Efrain Garcia. I am the safety coordinator for Intermountain Electronics in Denver.
We make power distribution centers.
We're the one that kind of works with growing the company, finding, finding new employees and growing the company that way, and also getting into the community. So doing company events at like city events,
The structures are a little bit difficult, but if you have the right hands and a game plan, it works out. It's like anything else in school. If you don't study right, you're not going to pass the test, right? So the process to making the frame, you have to get the material first. You get a print, you make sure everything is cut to length. You make sure you have the correct tools. You square up your frame, you tack it, then you make sure you get a fit checkup to make sure that it's correctly done, and then you weld it out.
Recruiter is personality. I like super positive people, people that are going to be willing to grow within the company and wanting to learn.
In conclusion, manufacturing is a fun and interesting career to start or get into. Jobs like this are welders, machine operators, 3D printing technicians, and future finishers.